Hello everyone, at ayun na nga, nakompleto na ang ating 20 winners para doon sa aking birthday. Ayun, kahit na hindi pa ating birthday, ayun, na-claim na nila ang kanilang prizes. At syempre, ayun, sponsored this video si Ma'am Maisel Jewelry. Dapat naka-like, subscribe kayo sa aking YouTube channel at pa-like na rin ang kanyang page, yung Maisel Jewelry, para magkaroon kayo ng cash. Syempre, hindi nyo sa kanya kukunin yung cash sa akin. Ayun. Pag nakita nyo ako sa pagbablog ko sa event or sa isang shop, ayun. At syempre, nandito tayo sa Transport Show, May 25, Day 3. Sama ka sa biyahe ko.
Flashback.
Hello everyone, at ayun, Day 3 na ng Transport Show. Ayun, kasama natin si Ma'am Shimi Ferrer. Ayun.
Hi everyone!
Hello everyone, at nandito tayo sa Transport Show. Ayun, Day 3. At May 25, 2024, kasama natin si Ma'am Lou. Ayan.
Hi!
Hello everyone, at ngayon ay Day 3 ng Transport Show. Ayun, at syempre kasama natin si Ma'am Abby. Ayan. Then Ma'am Abby, hello everyone, at ayun, Day 3 ng Transport Show. Syempre kasama natin si Ma'am Carmen. Ayun.
Hi!
Hello everyone, today is Day 3 ng Transport Show. Ayun, May 25, 2024, kasama natin si Ma'am Chelsea. Ayun. Then, hello everyone, today is May 25, 2024, Day 3 ng Transport Show. At kasama natin si Ma'am Mika. Ayun.
Hello!
Then, hello everyone, today is Day 3 ng Transport Show, May 25, 2024, kasama natin si Ma'am Kiana.
Hello!
Ayun. Then,
End of flashback.
hello everyone, today is Day 3 ng Transport Show. Siyempre, ang hyper natin kasama.
I know, right?
Si Ma'am Silvana.
Yes. Hello everyone. So welcome to the third day of the Transport Show 2024. So this has been my third Transport Show with Motul. So as you can see guys, pakita naman natin sa kanila. We're here at the most grandest, biggest, boldest booth here at the Transport Show. I was gonna say a different event, but yeah. Hope you guys can come by tomorrow. It's our last day, so please do come and join in the fun. We have a lot of products here and a lot of beautiful models for you to take pictures with. So please come at the Motul booth here at the Transport Show 2024 SMX MOA po to everybody. Let's go!
Then, syempre yun, Ma'am Silvana, since when did you start modeling, ma'am?
When? Oh my God. Professionally modeling, I've started 2017. Pero I started talaga to be exposed in modeling 2016 pala. Because of pageants.
Then, and ma'am, so far, ma'am, in Day 1 to Day 3, ma'am, how's the experience, ma'am, in Transport Show?
Of course, pag nasa Motul booth ka, fun talaga. Lalo na ang kukulit namin lahat ng mga models dito. Pero, so far, yung Transport Show ngayon, I noticed over the past years, ito yung pinaka-konti yung tao. Konti lang, chill lang. So, okay naman, masaya pa rin naman kahit walang tao. So, kasi dito kami sa Motul, masaya kami.
Wow. Then, and ma'am, regarding pala sa ma'am, sa Day 4 tomorrow, any predictions, ma'am, para sa Transport Show, ma'am?
Predictions ng, like,
Sa
awardees.
awardees, or any...
Well, tomorrow is a Sunday, so I'm expecting na sana maraming tao po ang makapunta kasi I really enjoy car show, especially kung marami kami nakakita of you guys na nag-enjoy pag nandito kayo sa booth namin. So tomorrow, wala naman masyado, I just really wish na sana mas marami pumunta and makipagkulitan dito sa booth namin. Locally, dito manggaling din ang Miss Transport Show 2024. So,
looking forward, sana kayo manalo.
ay! Okay lang kahit po, basta friends ko lang, okay na, masaya na ako.
Then, ayun ma'am, regarding pala sa pagmamodel, ma'am, nanggaling rin po ba kayo sa Viewcon or sa Marap Modeling or sa photoshoot or ano, ma'am?
Right now, ang focus ko is I do hostings. Pero when it comes to photos, like anything that's about modeling, mostly what I do is mga commercials, mga print ads, mga ganon. Pero rank, hindi masyado. Sometimes lang. I think I'm too short for that. In comparison to my friends, they're all very tall. Pero yeah, modeling is super duper fun. As long as very flexible ka, you can do a lot of things in modeling.
Then, ayun ma'am, regarding pala sa ma'am, sa mga newbie or parang gusto mong mag-change career to modeling, any advice or parang recommendation or any tips para, ayun ma'am?
Okay, so as I've said, modeling is very fun and marami kang pwedeng gawin as long as you're very flexible. But also at the same time, what you guys have to know when it comes to modeling, it's not a sustainable job. If you want to do modeling, you have to do something else on the side kasi you can be fully booked this week and then next week wala kang trabaho. So that's the sad reality about modeling. You have to really have something else on the side para mayroon kang extra passive income. But other than that, modeling is super duper fun. Pero of course, there are also pros and cons when it comes to modeling. But if you get to wing it, you get to find the right people to help you, kayang-kaya yan.
Then, ayun, Ma'am Silvana, any upcoming events na confirmed na meron na kayo, ma'am?
Ako, so far, well, I'm gonna be at Sigma. So, that's gonna be at June 4 to 5. So, see you guys there. And then, other than that, probably like a competition upcoming. Who knows? Abang-abangan nyo po yan. Tingnan na lang natin, everybody.
Then, any business to plug or any social media?
Oh, yes, guys. Actually po, nagbebenta po ako ng collagen. So, the brand is Pure Beauty Collagen. If you guys aren't familiar yet, you can look it up. And then if you guys are interested, bili lang kayo sa akin, guys. And then other than that, I might also like to thank Chooks to Go Philippines, of course. Sila po ang naka-discover sa akin through hosting. So, I thank them so much for this new opportunity, new journey. So, guys, kayo ang nag-iisang manunang bayan.
Kahit walang sauce, masarap
Yes,
na.
alam niyo yan.
Yes. And ayun, ma'am, any message para sa inyong fans, followers, just in case na, ganyan, may nakapanood nito, ma'am?
Wala naman akong fans, pero sa mga taong sumusuporta sa akin, thank you so much, everyone. I appreciate all of you. Kapag pumunta kayo dito sa booth, saying hi to me, taking pictures with me, super duper appreciate it, guys. And I hope you guys can continue to support me until, of course, kung asan man ako dalihin ng path ko, ng journey ko. Thank you guys so much.
Once
you
again,
always.
thank you so much.
Thank you
Ma'am
po
Silvana.
for having me. Again, please visit tomorrow, guys, last day. Motu Booth, Transfer Show 2024.
Hanapin niyo yung pinakamaganda.
Oh, hindi ako. Thank you po.
End of flashback.
Hi guys, please like and subscribe to Alex Pangilinan.
Hi everyone, please like and share and subscribe Alexander Pangilinan. Subscribe Alex Pangilinan YouTube channel. Hi, please do like, share and subscribe Alex Pangilinan YouTube account.
Please follow and watch Alex Pangilinan YouTube channel.
Hi guys! You can follow, subscribe, and like Alex Pangalinan's YouTube channel. Thank you!
Alex Pangilinan, please like, share and subscribe.
Hello everyone! Please like and subscribe to Alexander Pangilinan YouTube channel.
Hi, please like and share, subscribe Alex Pangilinan YT.
Hello mga biyaheros, kung bitin pa kayo sa aming regular episode, meron tayong mga shorties, meron din tayong bloopers, question and answer, at kung ano-ano pa. Just click, click, click. Click nyo na, huwag nyo na kayo pinch. Day 3 ng Transport Show, ayun, kasama natin si Ma'am Sandra, ayun.